Hello guys, let's learn some colors and numbers with train. Please stay with me and subscribe my channel, like my videos. Blue color, orange color, red color, green color, violet color, dark green color, black color, pink color, brown color. Let's start. Train. T R A I N. Train. Numbers. One number. Two number. Three number. Four number. Five number, six number, seven number, eight number, nine number, 10 number. Five number. Six number. Seven number. Eight number. Nine number. 10 number. One, two wheel. One, two wheel. One, two wheel. One, two wheel. 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 Bye bye kids.